Alright guys, so the last couple days me and Jonathan has been working on the E46 and we noticed the drain screws are going in at an angle, right?
Yeah.
Have you even tried your best?
I can kind of explain it. So the screw, when we're putting it in, let's say like, oh, that's kind of weird.
Just do it, but like not, you know.
Alright, so the screw is going in, okay, I can't do that.
Alright, so anyways, the screw didn't go in right.
The screw wasn't working properly. It was going in an angle.
It's going in an angle.
It's supposed to go straight, went like that, and it's still leaking, so we're gonna have to get it. What is it?
We're gonna have to get it rethreaded. So we're gonna get it rethreaded, a new drain plug, new everything. The drain pan is perfectly fine. There's no like gaskets, there's nothing wrong with it. Yeah. It's just the screw itself. So we're gonna get that done. So we're gonna head over to get something to eat real quick.
Yeah.
And then Jonathan's gonna come with me. We're gonna go smog it first because why not? And then so at least we can get the registration done while you know, the car is at the shop. Hope we have enough oil to get to the shop and do the smog real quick. Oof, love the sound, oh my lord. Jonathan's car is doing some really weird things with the brakes, so we're gonna go home and just check it out real quick. You guys can hear it. Sounds really bad. It's about to just take him home real quick. So we're hearing something scrape. I'm not really too sure what it is. We'll probably just have to take off the wheels and then let the car run on its own and just gas it, you know, and hit the brakes. And we'll have to see what exactly is scraping. We have to get these wheels off though. So we'll take it off when we get back. We're pretty hungry, so. Yeah, so you know, the normal stuff. Alright guys, we're gonna head over and do some smog right now. The oil leaks on this car have been literally minimal, very minimal. So we can hold off on the oil leak situation right now. Actually, it's doing really well. So I think the main reason after we did the whole oil change and tightened the bolts and everything, it was leaking. I think that's because of all the oil we dumped all over the engine bay.
Probably.
And once we actually went at an angle, it all came down.
Are you gonna keep that in? Spilling everything?
Yeah, we were spilling everything. So I don't know if that video was uploaded or not because it was really retarded. So if it wasn't, that's the reason we spilled oil literally. I'm telling you, maybe like 2 quarts.
No, not 2 quarts.
A quart?
At least
a quart.
Close to a quart.
Like,
where we just spilled it like
all
in
over
the engine bay.
Yeah,
It was so bad.
It was like that one scene where you saw like that one girl with heels in the gas station grabs like this jug of oil and just dumps it over. It was that bad. So anyways, let me catch you guys when we actually get to the smog station.
Yo, carbon fiber hood. Oh man.
Alright guys, so the 328 CI passed. I'm hella happy about that. I mean, this thing is 100% legal. There's no lights on the dash other than brake light. And the oil leaks actually significantly reduced after we did the oil change. So I think it's 100% all that oil that we dumped. That's why we thought it was a huge leak. But as of now, I think we're good to go. Let's just head over and get this thing registered so we can start debuting it. Because the M3, as you guys know, is one gas guzzling car. We got our number, now we're just waiting. All right guys, finally, I don't know if you guys can see that, got the car registered. Fully legal.
Took us, I don't have the watch on.
How long?
Took us an hour and 30 minutes.
It's not too shabby, to be honest. And there we have it. We are good to go, fully legal. Let's just head home right now and we'll start doing some mods to the E46 tomorrow. Today I'm actually gonna get home and work on Jonathan's video when we do some things to his E90. And as you guys saw from the beginning of this video, his E90, actually something was wrong with the brakes. So we gotta get home, diagnose that, figure that out. And then we got a lot of things to do to it. And you know, coding and all that stuff, just to make sure everything's perfect. So yeah, let's just get to it. So you guys will see me in another day. All right guys, it's the next day. And basically, we're just gonna do a very little to the E46. I wanna show you guys a little something also in the back seat we'll show you. But also, before that, tonight is a car meet, Erlan's last car meet he'll be attending while he's still here in California. He still doesn't know if he's 100% going to Texas, so I'm gonna make sure I go there. I'm gonna take the M3, and yeah, it should be fun. Let me guys show you something else that I did the other day. I ordered it, and I didn't actually show you guys. So for starters, I'm pretty sure I put this in the video, but that trim piece is finally there. So the dash finally looks complete, looks OEM. Erlan also hooked it up with the speaker, so all I need now is the grill that goes over. If any of you guys have this grill, let me know if you guys can hook it up. But yeah, it's the only thing that's missing in this interior currently. It looks really good. Let me show you guys what I also got to make sure my car doesn't vibrate anymore. So I finally found out that my radiator and everything was shaking. Like right now it doesn't even move at all. And it was all because of these two screws right there. That's actually the radiator supports right there. It's screws that hold it down, make sure nothing moves. And finally, went OEM with those as well. Everything's fitting perfectly, nothing moves, everything in the engine bay is OEM, which I'm really happy about. For this car, guys, I put everything OEM, and I'm gonna continue to do that because it's worth every single penny, either OEM or from FCP Euro, because they offer lifetime warranty, and there's nothing better than having warranty on your car parts. Now, let's get the E46 inside, let me show you guys a few goodies that I have. So guys, for everyone who is wondering what's going on with the E46, it is fully registered now, past smog, no lights on the dash, everything is clean. That is the best way to have a BMW. So that one, all it has is the TPMS light, because I haven't installed any of my guards that actually hold the TPMS sensors. My friend could have coated it out, but I don't really care. I want to have everything OEM, so I haven't coated out on this one. The only thing this one currently has is a brake light, and I'll take care of that later. It does need some new brakes, so we'll make sure we get that in the near future. But as of now, guys, this horn, I don't know if you guys can see, is cracked. Let me see if I can focus it in for y'all. It's completely cracked right here, and the horn doesn't work. Like, nothing. And you guys can see the indentation right there. This horn is completely shot. I luckily found somebody selling the steering wheel and the horn for only 20 bucks. So I got really lucky on that. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap that inside. And also, I got an M shift knob. So this is already loose. Okay, let's get that off. So yeah, we have an OEM M3 E46 shift knob. And it comes with the boot. This thing is peeling off for some reason. It has the LEDs which I'll top in down the road, but as of now it's fine. I ordered a 5-speed one. I'm hoping it's in the mail right now. It says it got delivered today, so hopefully you can swap out this ugly one with a 5-speed M3 one. It looks super dope in here. Alright, y'all, I just got the package. Thing open real quick. Dang, OEM BMW, eh? So apparently BMW sells, is this the actual OEM? See that right there, 5-speed. Let's go ahead and pull that out. Oh my God, this looks so good, so OEM looking. So if you guys are shift boots, or I don't think this is the clear one. Yeah, I don't think this is clear. Let me go ahead and peel this real quick and show y'all. Looking at it from right here. Yeah, this is not the clear one. So if you guys have the LEDs, this isn't gonna work. If you guys have a regular shift knob and you just wanna have like an M looking shift knob emblem, part number is right here for all y'all, so just look up that part number right there. All right, hopefully this thing will fit, and that would be a blessing. Ooh, oh my God. Oh my goodness. That looks so good. 5 gears, that's how much this car has. OEM M3 shift boot. I got this for 50 bucks. It looks amazing, honestly. As you guys can see, that looks so good. Oh my Lord. So yeah, OEM M3 E46 shift boot and shift knob. Let me go ahead and show you guys a little something here. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have some extra seats and a whole bunch of things back here with aluminum trim. That's right. So I got the full aluminum trim for the entire car. That's gonna be another video. The full interior. Guess what interior this is? M3 interior. So I got full gray M3 interior to replace all this cheap, I hate this fake leather stuff. So that's all real leather. Got the full interior other than the 2 front seats. Unfortunately, he sold the 2 front seats. I wanted to buy it off him, but he sold it to someone else for actually pretty expensive price. He sold the 2 front seats for 300 bucks, and he was selling the rest of the interior for 300 bucks. So, you know, your boy went down there. I was like, yo, listen, I just want the shift knob. He said, he was selling it for 80. I offered him 50. He said, sure. So I went to go pick up the shift knob. He said, do you still want the seats? I'm like, bro, I didn't know you didn't have the front seats. The max I'll give you is like honestly, I don't even really want it. He's like, just give me a price. I'm like, I don't want to lowball you. He's like, just give me a price. I'm like, to be honest with you, 50 bucks. He's like, I'm gonna throw it away anyways. You can have the interior for 50 bucks. So give me the full M3 interior for the E46 for 50 bucks. Don't be afraid to say your price and just, you know, chase what you want, because he gave me a really good deal now. Now I'll be able to do a full interior swap. Probably for the 2 front seats, I'm gonna put like bucket seats or something nice, maybe some cool custom seats. For the steering wheel, I'm probably gonna end up swapping that out as well. But as of now, I think it looks pretty decent. I also did get the full aluminum trim. But yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and replace this airbag as well, because that's been really bugging me. Nice shift knob, but this airbag doesn't even work. So let's go ahead and swap that out. Look at that, M3 interior. That's the rest of the M3 interior right here. That is a good airbag. The steering wheel is bad, it looks super bad, but the airbag is mint. So let's go ahead and throw in this good airbag. I'm actually gonna have to go disconnect the battery real quick, so let me get all these things out real quick. Guys, now that the negative is disconnected, let's go ahead and remove this airbag. I think it's a T27 to get those 2 bolts out from the back. Guys, look at this airbag. Finally clicks. Clicks here, clicks here, clicks here. This thing is literally missing something that's supposed to plug in the middle of the airbag, and you can see by the 2 wires cut right there. It's super sketchy. Oh my god, luckily I ain't dying today. All right, there we go. Let's go ahead and plug in the battery, and hopefully we got no lights on the dash. I thought about selling that airbag with that steering wheel, that extra steering wheel, but you know what? I think I'm just gonna throw it away. That just seems like that could kill somebody, honestly. So I do take these things seriously, especially when it comes to people's lives in danger, so I'm not gonna be selling that as much as I really needed the money. But yeah, the steering wheel, I might keep it. It is in a little bit rough condition, but somebody can use it as a core. If they wanted to, you know, try to buy a custom steering wheel, they need to, you know, send in a steering wheel. So this is a good core steering wheel. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that's for sale, but the airbag, forget it. All right guys, battery's in. I'm gonna go ahead and throw all this stuff back in and check the lights. Just started her up, no airbag light. I'm gonna go ahead and take her outside before honking the horn, but AC running cold, God bless. This is gonna be a giveaway, guys. I also have some more giveaway things I purchased from BMW the other day. I don't know if you guys saw the video, but yeah, I have a few giveaways for you guys. Yep, as you guys can see, no lights on the dash. This is looking really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and back her up just a little bit more. Let's take her this way. We'll honk the horn. Oh, finally works. Finally got a horn that works. Awesome, awesome. Sounds good. All right, guys, that looks looking good. Look at the beaut. If only this thing had a 4-banger to where I can actually daily it. This thing's super expensive. So basically, tonight is the night I'm heading to the car meet, so I'll catch you guys then. I'm gonna take a shower, take a little break, because I can't miss this car meet. I'm gonna go ahead and post it on Instagram. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure to go follow me down below. I usually post everything I do on there before I post it on the YouTube channel. If you guys see all my new cars on the YouTube channel, I usually post it a couple hours before on my Instagram. So if you guys wanna get a quick little insight, make sure to follow me down below. But yeah, I'll just catch you guys when we get to the car meet.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth.